In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to your Wix website. This is an incredibly useful skill to have if you're looking to personalize your site and give it a unique touch that aligns perfectly with your branding. First things first, you'll need to open the Wix editor for your website. The Wix editor is where all the magic happens. It allows you to customize and manage the design of your site. Once you're in the editor and looking at your web page, find a text box. Any text box will work for this process, so choose one that's easily accessible. Once you've selected a text box, you'll notice a small toolbar appears near it. Look for the option that says Edit Text and click on it. The Edit Text function is an essential feature. It opens up a sidebar where you can change everything about your text, from size to color, and yes, the font. Now that you have the editing sidebar open, locate the fonts option. It'll be among the list of options you can toggle. This is where your current font options live, but we're here to add a new one, so go ahead and click on Fonts. In the font menu, you will see several pre-installed font options, but don't get distracted. You're looking for a button labeled Upload Fonts. This feature allows you to bring in external fonts from your computer, a fantastic way to make your site stand out if you have something specific in mind. So find that button and give it a click. A window will pop up prompting you to upload your font files. You'll need to have your custom font files ready and downloaded on your computer beforehand. Make sure they're in a compatible format such as TTF or OTF, which are widely acceptable formats for custom fonts in most web applications, including Wix. Navigate to where your fonts are saved on your computer, select the fonts you wish to upload, and click Open. Wix will process your files, and in no time, your fonts will be uploaded to your site, prepped for use. To finalize the process, click on Done. This action saves your changes, and you can now select your newly uploaded custom fonts just like any other font in the Wix editor. Apply them wherever needed to enhance the look and feel of your site, and there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you've successfully uploaded your custom fonts to Wix, adding a personal flair to your website's design. Always preview your site after making changes to ensure everything looks perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!